Good morning, everybody. My name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, I'm taking a quick look at the 2023 Tucson Hybrid. This is the SEL convenience model. Grille is going to be about the same as the SE. Your wheel patterning is going to be a little bit different here. So these will be the wheels on the vehicle for you. On the back, we have the handy-dandy hybrid moniker. It'll be on this side here. Again, the H-Track comes standard with all of our hybrid vehicles at the moment, so that'll be on the car for you. Let's take a quick look at this and see what we get. So first thing would be your leather interior. This is the H-Track branded leather, more eco-sustainable. Looks really nice, got the perforations on it. That's the bigger thing on the car. You also get a full driver cluster in the middle that is digital. This is a nice display, lights and outs for the gauges and everything. You also get an upgrade with the navigation system here. Now this one has built-in nav for you. It will take away the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto configurations on the vehicle. So you got to plug on in, and that will be down here for you. Otherwise, same features in terms of your heated seats as the blue trim level. And then up top, we gain this massive panoramic roof. I like it a lot. They're pretty cool for kids and everything, but also just letting some sunshine in. If you have any questions on the vehicles in general, please feel free to call or text me directly. My cell phone number is 603-858-4511. That number again, 603-858-4511. Again, my name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.